Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Miss Yogeshri and I am going to teach you all grammar, fun with grammar for standard 3. Students, in the previous chapter, as we have already studied about nouns. Yes, what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animals or thing. Yes, nouns are nothing but name of a person, place, animals or things. Yes. Now today we are going to learn more about nouns, that is common noun. Nouns are of two types, that is common noun and proper noun. Yes, we will study about first common noun. What is a common noun? The name we give in general to every person, animal, place or thing of same kind, that is of same kind, is called a common noun, is a common noun. Examples: boy, dog, city, pencil. Yes, what is a common noun? The name we give in general to every person, animal, place or thing of same kind, it is called as common noun. Examples are boy, dog, city, pencil. Now we will see about proper noun. The name, now what is a proper noun? The name we give to a particular person, animal, place or thing is a proper noun. So the name we give to a particular person, animal, place or thing is a proper noun. Now examples of proper noun are Aman, Tommy, Delhi. Aman is the name of a boy, a person. So it is example of proper noun. Tommy. Tommy is the name of a dog or any person's name also it can be. It is proper noun. Delhi. It is the name of a city. So it is a proper noun. Next, proper nouns always proper noun begins with capital letter. It begins with a capital letter. Now go to page number 20. And look at just have a look at the exercise. Write C beside common noun. So if you all know what is common noun and proper noun, if you all have got information or much about knowledge about proper noun and common nouns, so you will add C for common noun and P for proper noun. Now we will see one by one which are the different proper nouns and which are the different common nouns. Now the first one we can see a boy. Yes, what is boy? A boy, yes, it is common. So it is common noun. So we will add C for common noun. So C for common noun for boy. Yes, next one, Goa is the name of a city. So what we will write for Goa? Yes. Is it proper noun or common noun? Yes, it is proper noun. Next, Rahul. It is mentioned, particular name is mentioned. Yes. So, is it proper noun or common noun? Yes, it is proper noun. Next one. It is pencil. Yes, pencil is proper noun or common noun? It is common noun. Now beach, any name is given to that particular beach? No. So beach will be common noun or proper noun? Yes, it is common noun. Next, a dog is mentioned. Yes, is it common noun or proper noun? The dog is mentioned. Even the name is given. So the name will be Bruno. So it is proper noun or common noun? Yes, it is proper noun. Next, a girl's picture is shown. Yes, yes, a girl picture is shown and the name is also given to that girl. Yes, will it be proper noun or common noun? Yes, it is proper noun. Next one, mountains. Yes, mountains. Is it proper noun or common nouns? Yes, it is common noun. Because not a particular name is not given to the mountains. So it will be common noun. Next. So we shall see. Next, after studying the examples of proper noun and common noun, now go to girl. Is it proper noun or common noun? Yes, girl. Is it proper noun or common noun? Not a particular name is not given to the girl. Yes, so it is a common noun. Next, Himalayas. Yes, now the mountain's name is, particular mountain's name is mentioned. So what it will be, proper noun or common noun? Yes, proper noun. So we shall add, you all just see properly that you all are adding proper noun P and common noun C. Yes, students? Yes, I hope you all are aware that you all are writing correctly. Proper noun P and common noun C. Okay. Now next, we'll go on to exercise B. Yes, of common noun, proper noun. Now, complete the table with words. Yes, complete the table with words from the help box. So we are going to just see, have a look about which are the common nouns, which are the proper nouns, and just add them below in which part do they fall. Are they proper noun, common nouns? Okay. Now, first one, boy. Yes, boy stands in which? Common nouns or proper nouns? Yes, students. It stands in, not a particular name is not given, so it stands below common noun. So we will add here boy. Correct. Now next, box. Yes, under which this proper noun or box, what it is, proper noun or common noun? Yes, students. Yes, a particular brand or anything is not given. Huh? So box is also common noun. Next, castle. Yes, what is castle? Yes, students, castle. So will it be proper noun or common noun? Yes, it is a common noun, castle. Not a particular name is not given to that castle, so it will be a common noun. Castle. Next, yes, Buddha. Now Buddha, a particular name is given to that person, the man. Yes, and Buddha. So what will it be? A proper noun or common noun? Yes, it is a proper noun. So in under which it goes, it stands under which section? The proper noun or common noun? Yes, it comes under, falls under proper noun. The first, it will be Buddha. Next is girl. Yes, what is it? Girl. It is name. Any name is mentioned? No. So does it falls common and below common or below proper? Yes, it comes under common noun. So girl comes below common noun. Next, Taj Mahal. Yes, Taj Mahal is already name of a particular place. Yes, so Taj Mahal will fall below common noun or proper noun? Yes, below proper noun, because the name of the particular mahal or the fort is given. So Taj Mahal, it comes below proper noun. Next, elephant. Yes, elephant will fall below which proper noun or common noun? Yes, it is an animal and it comes below common noun. Yes, elephant. Sorry, it is a proper noun, elephant. Next, girl. It comes below, yes, proper noun, common noun. Next, elephant. Elephant is an animal. Yes, so the particular name is not given to the animal. Yes, so it comes below common noun. Now next, Sunny. Sunny is a name of a particular boy, a name of a person. So Tommy, Sunny, Tommy, this will be proper noun because names are mentioned. Yes, so first will is Sunny, Sunny. So Sunny is a name of a boy, so it will be proper noun. Yes, it starts with a capital letter. Next one will be Tommy. Tommy is a name of a person, so and it begins with capital letters, that is T, Tommy. So it is a proper noun. Yes, proper noun always starts with capital letter. Tommy. Now next we will see Delhi. Yes, what is Delhi, students? Name of a city. Yes, name of a place. Yes, and it begins with capital letter, Delhi. So is it common noun or proper noun? Yes, it is proper noun. So Delhi will come below proper noun. Yes, Delhi. Next, pencil. Pencil of particular name is not mentioned. Natraj pencil or Camlin pencil, no. So particular brand is not given, so not shown. So pencil, it will be proper or common noun? Yes, it is common noun. And as it is a name of a thing, yes, it is common noun. Next, Heidi. Heidi is a name of a place. Yes, what is Heidi? It is a name of a place. Yes, so it comes below common noun or proper noun? Yes, it comes below proper noun. Next, India. Yes, India is a country, it is a name. Yes, so will it come below common noun or proper noun? Yes, it comes below, it falls below proper noun. So India. Yes, next now, school. A particular name is not given to the school. St. Joseph High School, Orchid School, yes, no. But the school is given, only school is given. Yes, so example will come below common noun, that is school, only school. Okay, I hope everyone is writing after me. Yes, with me also. So boy, box, castle, girl, elephant, pencil, school. These are examples of common nouns. I repeat once more. Boy, box, castle, girl, elephant, pencil, school comes below common nouns, and proper nouns are Buddha, Taj Mahal, Sunny, Tommy, Delhi, Heidi and India. These are examples of proper noun. Okay, have you all understood till this, students? Now next, we'll study more about compound nouns. What are compound nouns? Write with me only, students. Yes, what are compound nouns? Some nouns or the nouns that are made up of one or more than one word are called compound nouns. So I repeat myself, the nouns that are made up of one or more than one word is called as compound nouns. Now they may be written as, how they can, we can write the examples. One word. Now one word examples. Street light. Yes, street light. Next, cornflakes. So one example, washing machine. Yes. Next, separate words. Now separate words, how we can find? Examples are washing powder, baby tooth. Yes, these are the examples of compound nouns. Words with hyphen. Yes, a small dash comes or falls in between the words are called compound words. Father-in-law. Yes, sister-in-law, father-in-law. Okay, so these are compound nouns. Next, yes, go to exercise C. Turn your pages to page 22. Yes, below the exercise we have seen on the page, form compound nouns by joining columns or nouns in columns 1 with nouns in column 2. Yes, we are just going to join, and instead, but we have to only write now, we will not just make arrows. Okay students, so we will see now in detail. Column 1, that is air. Yes, air. What will come? Air. Yes, yes, air conditioner. So air conditioner. So the answer which will be correct? A. Yes, air conditioner. Next, so where is conditioner? Yes, it is J. So can we write like this now? We will write air conditioner. So it will be 1. Okay. Next now. Next will be study. Study, what will match with study from these words? Yes. Yes, study table. Yes students, study table. Next, clothes. Clothes line, which we put the clothes for drying, so that is clothes line. So it is already joined. Okay, so clothes line. Next one, thunder. Thunder, yes, what will be the answer for thunder? It will be thunderstorm. Yes, so thunderstorm. So this one is, fourth one is thunder. So what is the answer? H. Yes, where is H? Yes, so you must write 4. Yes, school, from and which will match? School. Yes, what will be the answer? Yes, school bus. Yes, school bus. So school bus. And what is the alphabet or number? It is D. Yes, answer of with D is the school. Yes, so school is number 5. So with D we are going to write 5. Yes, now sixth one. What is sixth one? Washing. Yes, in this columns, which will join, which will be the noun joining? Yes, it will be 6 will be machine, washing machine. Yes, so next one now we will see C. Seventh one, C. Yes, from this column, which will be the joining word to C? Yes, it will be, yes students, what will be C? Yes, it will be side, seaside. Next one, a river. River. Yes, which will be the joining word to river? Sixth one, washing machine. Yes, washing machine. Next, now sea. Yes, side. Yes, seaside. So what is sea? Yes, it is seventh one, and seaside. Next, swimming. Yes, from these words which will be the joining word? Yes, after washing we have seen sea. Yes, sea. Yes, yes, river. Yes, but which will be the joining word for rivers? Bank. Yes, and what will be the this joining word? River, bank. So it will be 1 for river bank. For bank it will be, yes, river bank. It will be. Next now, swimming. Swimming, yes, which will be the joining word for swimming? Yes, swimming pool. So what is the number for swimming? Yes, it is ninth one. So 9. So write 9 over the swimming pool. Okay. Next one, tooth. Now from these joining words, which will be the correct word that it can join? Yes, yes, tooth brush. So 10. It will be toothbrush. So I hope everyone is solving the exercise with me only. Okay. So first, air. Now first one is air. Yes, air. What will come from this column to? Yes, it is conditioner. Air conditioner. Next one, study. Yes, what is study? Which will be the joining word to from column B? Which will be the joining word? Yes, study table. That is F. Study table. Clothes. Yes, which will be the joining word to clothes from these words? Column 2. Yes, it will be line, the in one which we dry our clothes. So clothes line. Next, thunder. Yes, what will be the joining words to thunder? Yes, students. Yes, it is storm. Thunder, storm. Next, school. See, from these words which will be the joining word to school? Yes, it is bus. School, bus. Yes. Now next, washing. Washing, which will be the joining words to from washing from column B? Yes, it is machine. Washing machine. Next, sea. From this column, which will be the joining word for sea? Yes, it is sea. Storm. Next, river. River. Yes, yes, it is bank. River bank. So river bank. Swimming. Swimming pool. The joining word for sea, the swimming is pool. Swimming pool. Yes, tooth. Tooth. From these words, which will be the joining words? Yes, toothbrush. So toothbrush, that is number 10. So in this manner or in this way you all are going to write the numbers. So under which particular numbers it falls, these words falls or come in or fallen. Okay students, I hope so everyone is understanding and writing perfectly, properly in your, and first write with pencil. I hope so everyone is writing with the pencil only. Okay students, now next we will just have a revision or revise. We will just have a revision of common noun and proper noun. Yes, so now over this I give a common name to nouns which are of the same kind. Yes, under which does it fall? Yes, common noun. It comes below common noun. So the examples, I hope everyone knows what are common nouns. Yes. Now next, I give names to particular nouns, whether they will be name of a person, place, animal, thing. Yes, these will come below the examples of nouns. Next, I always begin with capital letter. Yes, I always begin with a capital letter. So names, name of a person, place. Yes, it will be proper noun. Now next, now students, I hope everyone has understood what are common nouns and what are proper nouns. Yes, so thank you.